In this video, I put together frequently asked questions about the App Store, from downloading free apps without a password to redeeming and checking a gift card balance. If we haven't met, I'm Ellen from ellenstipsforios.com, where I help seniors master their iPhones and iPads. If you find the video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Take note that while I'm showing you this on an iPhone, you should easily be able to use the same instructions on your iPad. There are numerous free apps on the App Store, apps that can help with productivity, convenience, fun, and lots more. If you want to download free apps without entering your password on the iPhone or iPad, this video will make it easy. What we'll need to do first is open the Settings app and then scroll to the top and tap on your profile picture. And now select Media and Purchases. And when you do, a pop-up should appear and you can go ahead and tap on Password Settings and then toggle off the switch that says Require Passwords under Free Downloads. If, when you tap on Media and Purchases, you don't see password settings, well, it's because you have Face ID or Touch ID turned on for app purchases. Let me show you where to find that. So, if you don't see the password settings, we're going to tap on Settings in the upper left corner. We're going to scroll down until we see Face ID and passcode. Tap on that. Put in your passcode for your iPhone. Then toggle off the switch here that says iTunes and App Store. So I'll toggle that off. And now I'm going to tap Settings in the upper left-hand corner. And I'm going to now come back into my profile at the top. I'm going to tap on Media and Purchase, and now you'll see that that password setting is available to me. Deleting an app is relatively easy. You'll want to push and hold on the app that you want to delete. So I'll push and hold, and an option will appear to remove app. I'll go ahead and tap on that. Now a pop-up window appears that lets me know that I can delete the app, or I can choose to remove it from my home screen, which will then just place that app back into the app library without deleting anything. But if I choose Delete App, it says Delete KDKA Weather. Deleting this app will also delete its data. I'm going to go ahead and just say yes, delete that. And now that app has been removed from my iPhone. What happens when you delete an app and then you realize you need to recover it? Well, iCloud makes app management relatively easy. Even better, re-downloading an app costs nothing if you've already purchased it. So what we want to do is we'll want to open up the App Store. So I'm going to tap App Library and I'm going to search for App Store. I'm going to go ahead and open the App Store, and then I'm going to tap on my profile picture in the upper right corner, and then I'm going to tap on Apps. When you tap on Apps, it may take you directly to your apps. Because I have family sharing on, because I'm sharing my apps with other family members, I'm going to tap on My Apps. When I do, it comes to the apps that are on my iPhone. And so you'll see on the left-hand tab, it says All. And then over here, it says Not on this iPhone. I'm going to tap on that. And then I'm going to search for that app that I just deleted. And I believe it is the CBS Weather app. There it is. And to download that, all I need to do is tap on the cloud icon. And then that app that I deleted will be returned back to the phone. An alternative method for recovering apps is by using the App Store. And so all I need to do is come into the App Store. And this time, instead of going into My Apps and looking for apps that are no longer on my iPhone, I'm just going to come down and tap on Search. And then I'm going to search for an app that was previously on my phone. So I'm just going to type in Uber Eats, going to tap search, locate the Uber Eats app, and you'll see that I've already had this app on my phone because you have the iCloud icon next to it. Go ahead and tap on the iCloud icon and that app will be downloaded back to your phone. Apple gift cards let you buy apps and subscriptions on the Apple platforms. Gift cards are added as credit to your Apple ID balance. This credit can't be shared with family members even if you use family sharing. Here are the ways to redeem your gift card on the iPhone and iPad. So again, we need to locate the App Store. So let me just kind of scroll through here. I see it here. If I push and hold on the App Store, this is the easiest way. You'll see an option pops up to redeem. Go ahead and tap redeem. When you do, it's going to ask you if you want to use your camera to take a picture, or you can choose to enter the code manually. Once you do, the gift card amount will be added to your Apple ID. To check a gift card balance, you'll open the App Store again. You'll tap on your profile picture in the upper right corner. And if you have a balance on your gift card, it will automatically show here. As you can see, I don't have any gift cards on my account right now, but if you did, it would show up right on this page. There are many subscription apps available in the App Store. These premium apps give content and features only available behind a paywall. Beware of when the subscription will renew, especially if you're downloading the free trial. To cancel a subscription on your iPhone or iPad, open the App Store, tap on your profile picture in the upper right corner, tap on subscriptions, and now you'll see a list of all of the subscriptions that you have. If I want to cancel it or know when the next renewal date is, I can go ahead and tap on any of the subscriptions, and it'll tell me when the next billing date is. And if I want to cancel that subscription, I can go ahead and tap on cancel. It's going to prompt me again, and I can go ahead and cancel that subscription. These FAQs on the App Store will help you manage your apps and know where to find the options when you need them. If you have any questions, post them in the comments section. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.